Hi there, thanks for checking out this VIVE education video. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up VIVE Guardian with VIVE Flow. Let's get started.
VIVE Guardian is an easy-to-use device management solution that allows you to restrict multiple VR headsets to only the content you select. Download the VIVE Guardian app from Google Play and install it on your smartphone. After installing the app, open it and sign in with your VIVE Guardian account. If you don't have a VIVE Guardian account, you'll need to create one to sign in. Next, download the Guardian Launcher and Guardian Service from Viveport and install them on your headset. After installation is finished, open the Guardian Launcher. Make sure your smartphone and VR headset are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In the VIVE Guardian app, go to Add Edit and set a passcode for the headset. Then tap New VR Headset. Enter the headset serial number, then add a note that'll help you identify the headset later. Then tap Confirm. You can add up to 2 headsets. In VIVE Guardian, there are 2 options for restricting content: Assignment Mode and Control Mode. With Assignment Mode, you can select multiple VR titles that will be accessible on all connected headsets. Each user will be able to freely browse and launch the titles you've selected for them. To add VR titles to headsets in Assignment Mode, go to Add VR Titles to Headsets, select the titles you want users to have access to, and then tap Confirm. With Control Mode, you can broadcast a single VR title to all connected headsets, giving you complete control over the content that users can access. To launch a VR title on headsets in Control Mode, go to Content Management, select the VR title you want to broadcast, and then tap Launch. Tap Close to stop broadcasting the VR title. With VIVE Guardian, you can observe what users are seeing in their headsets in real time, so you can supervise their viewing activity and take any necessary actions. To view a user's headset display, go to Connection Status and then tap the headset you want to view. The selected headset's display will then appear on the VIVE Guardian home screen. While viewing a user's headset display, you can toggle full screen mode, switch between headsets, change the video resolution, or change the orientation of the image if the video signal is inverted. To close the headset display viewing window, tap the selected headset again. Give your family members the VR experience they deserve with VIVE Guardian.
Hi again, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about VIVE Guardian or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.